Good morning and welcome to Catherine's Garden.
Today I'm going to plant these azalea shrubs, flowering shrubs in the garden. Come with me, let's do it together. I purchased it at Home Depot for 50% off. What a great sale.
I was going to make a topiary in a pot with these two azalea plants, shrubs. However, I start to see yellowing of the leaves there, and I don't want them to die. I bought these two plants at Home Depot, and they were 50% off. I think $6 each. And that was a great deal because they were originally, I think, $11.99. And this is the tag. It's Dorothy Hayden Azalea Brighten Shade, and that's a great thing. So I'm going to put them down in the garden. I'm going to flank them on both ends of this garden area. Let me show you. So you see how the white lilies are on both ends? Well, that back garden where those two arborvitaes are, right there, you see the two arborvitaes? 1, 2. I'm going to plant one on this end and one on the other end next to the pots. And so then hopefully in the spring, I'll have those beautiful white blossoms there from the azalea. So that's what I'm going to do with these two plants. I'm going to plant the azalea right here, as I said, next to this pot here. I'm going to plant it right in here. And my husband has been putting a lot of compost in that spot there, and I think it's going to look good next to the arborvitae that is actually becoming like a topiary plant itself. I know I have to weed in here a lot, but I think that it's going to add such a great it's going to add such great color in the spring to put this beautiful white azalea there. So first I'm going to clean up the area. Now that I've cleaned up the area, you can get a sense of what it's going to look like. Let's put the pot in there and see what we got here. I think it's going to look pretty right there. Yeah. Look at that. And in the spring, it's going to look nice with these plants here. The violets and the hosta coming up. And then we have the liatris. And that angel tree won't be in that pot, but I could actually add some annuals into the pot. And then, of course, it will be with the hostas coming up too. So I planted some. Let me move this from here. Some hostas along the way here, but it's going to look really, really nice in the spring because the liatris has a yellow flower. The violets are blue or purple, not blue, but purplish color. And with the white of the azalea, I think that that's a winning combination. So let me get to planting. So here I am, taking it out of the pot, taking out the root system. It looks pretty good. And now it's a matter of finding the best position for this. How do I want it to show up? I think that's nice right there. Okay, so then Now I'm going to backfill. You see that? Backfill. Ooh, there's a nice word. Yeah. Going to backfill here. Press in the soil around it. Don't really want it to be too much higher than the pot itself. And then in the spring, I had planted some bulbs too, right about here. I planted some bulbs in here. I think they were like more pinky color. So that's gonna look really pretty.
I think this looks really nice. We're finished with this side. Let's work on the next side.
Now I'm going to plant the other one on this side here. And I'm going to plant it right there. If anything, next year I can cut this bed a little bit wider here, right on this side. I can cut it a little bit wider and pull out the pot. But I want the plant to be protected here through the winter. So the pot will give it some heat and some protection during the winter. But then it will come out really nice in the spring. Because right over here I have a lot of purple allium bulbs, purple sensation allium bulbs there that grow, and so I think this is a good spot for this. So let's get a digging and a placing. You see that? Yeah. So what I'm going to do is take this out because I know where I want to plant it, and I'm going to dig a hole like this. Now this first is a little bit more dry. So I've added some topsoil to it, just some Scott's topsoil in the bag that my husband had over there. And I'm just going to amend the soil a bit so that this plant has a chance to grow. Mix in some of the native soil in with it. Take out this tree away from here. I want to make sure that this has a really good opportunity to grow. Take it out. Now this is well watered because I watered the plant last night. Look at the roots. I think it's ready for planting. I'm not going to scrape it or anything. Let's find the front of it. Let's see. I think this is a good. I have to make this hole a little bit bigger. I think that's good. Now I'm going to just top it off with some more of this topsoil. This will make it look pretty. Nice dark soil. I don't want to really make it too high. I want to keep it the same level as it was in the pot.
I'm just finishing up with this. I think this came out very nice. It almost has a topiary shape. And I believe as it grows bigger, what I'm going to do is shape it up. And as I said, I'm going to cut out the side this and move the pot over so that it can have more space to grow. Well, that's the end of that. Wonderful.
Well, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to Catherine's Garden. Yeah, that's encouraging me to continue to vlog and to share this garden with you when you subscribe. So come on and subscribe to Catherine's Garden. So good. He's so good. He's so good. Yes, we serve a good God. And I thank God for you, my friend. Yes. So see you next time in Catherine's Garden.